Good morning, students. In the partnership, the reconstitution of the firm, that is retirement and death of the partner. Previous class, we learned how to prepare the balance sheet and the partner's capital account if the capital balance of the retiring partner have not been paid and profit earned after his retirement by utilizing his capital. Then section 37 application, that is provision of section 37, how it will be applied over there, how this provision will help to the partner, that we will learn it. And we redrafted the balance sheet. You know how to prepare the revaluation account, you know how to prepare the partner's capital account, you know how to prepare the balance sheet. But in case of retirement, the settlement of the capital balance of retiring partner is very important. And that is settled either by making the immediate payment to the retiring partner if the firm is having the sufficient finance, or the remaining partner must bring in sufficient cash to make the payment, as well as the remaining partner may agree to maintain their capital at agreed balance of capital, So here, how to make the adjustment of capital we will learn by taking a question, that is question number 25. Now see, the question number 25. On 31st March 2015, the balance sheet of Saman, Harish and Meeta, who were sharing profit loss in the ratio of 2:3:2, stood as follows. Capital of Saman, Harish and Meeta, workmen compensation reserve is given 30 creditors, and asset side, land and building, machinery, furniture, closing stock, sundry debtors and cash. It is given in the balance sheet. The further information, 31st March 15, Harish retired from the firm and the remaining partner decided to carry on the business. It was agreed the revalue the assets and liabilities as follows. Land and building be appreciated by 20%, machinery be depreciated by 20%, closing stock be valued at rupees 4,50,000, provision for doubtful debt be made 5% on debtors, sundry creditors of rupees 65,000 be written off, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 5,60,000, and Harish's share of the goodwill be adjusted in the accounts of the Saman and Meeta, who will share the future profit and the losses in the ratio of 3:2. Now the total capital of the newly constituted firm will be 35 lakhs, which will be adjusted by opening current account. Mean the remaining partners are agreeing to keep their capital or maintain their capital of rupees 35 lakhs, total capital of the firm, in their profit sharing ratio, but they will not bring any cash, they will not introduce any finance in the business, and that amount of balance, either debit balance or credit balance, will be transferred to in an account that is called current account. They will open a new current account for the every partner, either amount receivable from the firm or amount payable to the firm. Now amount due to Harish was settled by accepting a bills of exchange in his favor payable after 4 months. You are asked to prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. Now first we will prepare the revaluation account. Question number 25, retirement revaluation account. particulars about land and building be appreciated by land and building. This is appreciated by 20%. Land and building value is given in the balance sheet 19 lakhs, 20% increased, that is 3,80,000. Machinery be depreciated by 20%. To machinery 1 lakh, 20% of 5 lakhs. Machinery is appearing in the balance sheet 5 lakhs. Closing stock be valued at 4,50,000, where the closing stock is appearing in the balance sheet 5 lakhs, 50% reduced to closing stock 50,000. Provision for doubtful debts be made at 5% on debtors. Debtors are appearing 7 lakhs, 5% provision on it is. To provision for doubtful debts 35,000, 5% on 7 lakhs. Syndicators of 65,000 be written off. That is reduced, liability is reducing, so it should be created by creditors. $65,000. No other items are there. Now we will find the profit or loss on it. This credit side is more. 4,45,000. 4,45,000. Profit or revaluation is 2,60,000. Saman, Harish and Meeta. Saman, Harish and Meeta. And the profit sharing ratio is 2:3:2. That is 2/7, 3/7 and 2/7. Now we'll divide it. This 2,60,000, share it. This is 2/7. Or 74,286 rupees. 74,286. 74,286. And this by 3. 1,11,428. This is the division. Now we prepare the partners calculator. This book is closed. Partners capital account. Saman, Harish and Meeta. Saman, Harish and Meeta. Now first you see working note, that is gaining ratio and old ratio, calculation of gaining ratio, old ratio, Saman, Harish and Meeta, 2/7, 3/7 and 2/7, and new ratio, Saman and Meeta, 3/5 and 2/5. Sacrifice by Harish, 3/7. Now 2/7 minus 3/5, or 3/5 minus 2/7, whatever. Eleven by 35 gain. 2/5 minus 2/7. 4/35 gain. Then they are gaining in 11:4. Gaining ratio A and B, Saman and Meeta, 11:4. So they will share the share of goodwill of Harish in 11:4. Now, as it is given, goodwill of the firm be valued rupees 5,60,000. Then Harish share in it, that is 3/7. The 5,60,000. Harish share is 2,40,000. 5,60,000 into 3/7 equal to 2,60,000. This will be shared by Saman and Meeta in 11:4. See, goodwill of the firm 5,60,000. Harish share 5,60,000 into 3/7. 7 8 are 56. 80,000 into 3, 2,40,000. This will be shared by Saman and Meeta in their gaining ratio, that is 11/15 and 4/15. Now find it. 2,40,000 into 11/15, that is of Saman, and this is Mita. Four by 15. $64,000. So here first we write by balance carried brought down, balance brought down of Saman 10 lakhs, Harish 15 lakhs, and Mita 10 lakhs. By workmen compensation reserve 8,40,000 in 2:3:2. It is 2,40,000. $3,60,000 and $2,40,000. By profit on revaluation 74,286, 1,11,428, and 74,286. On the valuation, and then goodwill, which will be adjusted as you already calculated it, 1,76,000 and 64,000. This was now by Saman's capital, by Mita's capital in Harish column 1,76,000 and 64,000. Whereas it is written here to Harish capital 1,76,000 and 64. Now just see, as Saman and Mita agreed to maintain their capital at rupees 35 lakhs in their capital proportion, so that rupees 35 lakhs in 3 by 5, it is of Saman 21 lakh and it is of Mita 2 by 5, 14 lakhs. This should be maintained. Got this seat, the total of it 824 824 22 lakhs 11,428. 22 lakhs 11,428 to Harish loan. To balance carried down as capital is fixed now. 21 lakhs of Saman and 14 lakhs of Vita. Now total of this side is 22 lakhs 76,000 and this side is 14 lakhs 64,000. Now the new capital is now more than the old capital or previous capital. Now the balance amount should be transferred to the current account of the remaining partner by current account of someone. 22 lakhs 76,000 96,000 9,61,714. This is transferred to the current account of someone. One lakh 49,714 of Harish. Now we'll put in the balance sheet. That is new balance sheet or balance sheet of the new firm sheet. Balance sheet after retirement of Harish on 31st March 15. That you can present it April 2015. Liabilities, assets, capital, Saman, Meeta, 21 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 35 lakhs. Harish loan account, $22 lakhs 11,428. Subject creditors, $5,10,000 minus 65,000 as it was reduced or written off. $4,45,000. Now the asset side, land and building, it was earlier 19 lakh, now increased by 20%, that is 3,80,000. 19 lakh plus 380, 22 lakh 80,000. Machinery, 5 lakhs less 20%, 1 lakh, it's 4 lakhs. Furniture, there is no change in furniture. Sundry debtors, 7 lakh less 5%. 6,65,000. Closing stock now 4,50,000. Cash 4,80,000. Current account Saman and Meeta 9,61,714 and 1,49,714. $11,11,428. Now this total is 61,56,428. This is the adjustment of capital. Now do more practice on it and try to present the question in the good way to secure good marks in it along with the working note. Have a good day. Thank you.